I'm Javeria from Craft Hike. Welcome to my studio. Today I'm going to teach you how to create a buttonhole using Singer Tradition 2263. Now, in order to make it very easy for you all, so you all can follow the steps very easily, I have divided the video into 4 very easy steps, starting with which foot to use to create a buttonhole, then how to measure the space for the buttonhole, then the settings, and then the actual process of creating a buttonhole. It will be very easy if you follow me step by step. So let's learn how to sew a buttonhole. Let's go. So the first thing first, which foot to use to sew a buttonhole? This is the foot that we will use, and it comes with the machine. You don't have to go separately to the shop. First of all, we have to remove this foot. For that, we will push this lever slightly upwards and it will come off like this. Then we will attach the foot to sew a buttonhole. Make sure that the B written is towards the back of the machine like this. Place this part directly under this arc like this, and now this lever you have to push it down like this. So easy. See, we have successfully changed our foot. Yes. So this is the area where I have to create a buttonhole. Now first of all, I have to measure the area and mark it to create a buttonhole. This is the button. I will now measure it. This is the exact measurement for the button, which is approximately 0.6 inch. Now what I will do, see this here. Now what I will do, I will add 0.1 inch below and above this marking like this, and this will cover my area for creating a buttonhole. Now I will place it here and mark a line. Now see, this is the line over which I will sew a buttonhole. Now I am placing the marked fabric below the foot in order to sew a buttonhole. See, the foot moves like this, and we have to adjust it to the marking of the buttonhole area. Make sure that the line you marked, its ending point and its starting point is aligned with the foot, just like this. This is the starting point. I'm aligning it with the starting point of the foot, and this is, and like this. Press the foot down. Now another thing, you have to make sure that the line is at the center of the foot, just like this. And we will begin from here, we will move here, then we will go here, and then we will go back up there. Now I will tell you about the settings which we have to use in order to sew a buttonhole. You have to place the length setting between 0 and 1 like this, and set the pattern to 1. This one. These 3 patterns are for creating the buttonhole, and we will be starting with the one. This one. Make sure the needle of the machine is pointed upwards while changing the patterns for creating a buttonhole. This is a 4-step process, and I will show you step by step. And we are starting with step number 1. We'll begin with keeping the pattern dial at point mark number 1. Apply pressure slightly forward. When we reach towards the end of the line, pull the needle upwards and move the pattern dial to point mark 2 and 4. After several attempts, pull the needle upward again and move the pattern dial to point number 3, this one. Now start applying pressure backwards till you reach the end of your line. When you reach the end of your line, again move the pattern dial back to point number 4 2 and 4, and start the machine and stop after several stitches. And that's it, we have created our buttonhole. Now with the help of a seam ripper, cut across the line which we have marked. And there you go, we have successfully created our buttonhole like this. I really hope you liked the tutorial and learned a lot from it. Keep a lookout on my next video in which I will tell you how to sew a button using Singer Tradition 2263. Bye for now.